Salman Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, was a governor of Medina. Once he was walking by a marketplace. Due to the simplicity of his clothing, a person thought he must be a poor man and asked him to carry his materials in exchange of some money. Salman picked up the materials and didn't reveal his identity. As they were walking, the people of Medina were shocked. "O Allah, have mercy on Amirul Mu'mineen, the leader of the faithful. Let us carry the materials," they said. But Salman denied all their requests and carried on with the man. Upon realizing who Salman was, the man who told him to carry the stuff felt embarrassed and kept asking him for forgiveness. Salman told him, "Don't worry, let's keep going." He took the materials all the way to the man's home. After this incident, the man promised to himself that he will never ask somebody to carry his materials again.